You are my sweetest downfall. I love you first. Beneath the sheets of paper lies my truth. I have to go. Your hair was long when we first met. Samson went back to bed. Not much hair left on his bed. He ate a slice of Wonder Bread and went right back to bed. And the history books forgot about us, and the Bible didn't mention us, and the Bible didn't mention us, not even one.